the 7th of July, Finn the dog ruined my sister's remote. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, man. You're doing nonsense stuff, man. You're in trouble. Deep Mustard in trouble for doing this. Like, you can't do a fucking thing like. So it takes you to fucking Hulu. Look. Look at that stuff. Look at this shit. Look. You can't do a thing. Look. You can't move it. Look. See? Oh my god. Look. You can't do a fucking thing. Look at this, man. Oh my god. It's so damaged, man. This dog. Like, oh, you can't do a fucking thing. Look. It's not taking it nowhere. Look. Oh my god. Bullshit. This is fucked up, man. Like, you can't power it on. Look. See, look. You see the power? Look. Fucking dog, bullshit. See, look. Ruin, look. You can't do a thing, man. Look. You know what? Game over. See what you done? You ruined that remote. Big Finn. That's nonsense. You ruined that, didn't you? That worth money. That remote worth money. You know? Look. You're in big trouble for doing this. Big Finn. The dog remote ruiner. You're the dog remote who shoved that remote in your mouth and you chew it. That's not the best thing. We're gonna turn this TV off. That's my sister's remote, man. How are we gonna turn it off, Ma? How are we gonna turn it off, How are we gonna turn it off, Man, Oh my god. Such is life. Rest in peace to the Toshiba remote. Thanks to him, right here, Finn, Big Finn, for doing this stuff nonsense, Look. He ruined that remote. Look at him. See? You're smiling, see? Nobody else can watch TV anymore. And you're enjoying this America life too, Happy now? The TV remote ruiner? And you have the 2 socks? Nonsense. Subscribe to this video. Big Christmas outlook. I don't know how my sister's dog did that too. One day, July 7th, in the year of 2021, Bad boy.